Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our recent trades. This is a 2017 Sea Pro 219. What I like about this particular boat, it has a huge flare here, kind of like a Carolina flare. Nice deep V in the front. So for a 21-foot boat, 9 inches, the boat has a very good ride to it. This one does have the optional T-top here, all powder coated. It's got the 150 Merc on it, 4-stroke, trim tabs, underwater lights. And this is designed to be a nice fishing boat, but also a nice family boat. Gives you a very comfortable helm bench seat right here. She's got a really nice Simrad GPS bottom machine, Polk audio stereo. Recirculating bait well in the back, plus you have a bench seat. In the front, this is kind of cool right here. These things pop up and make into a backrest, which is kind of nice. Dedicated anchor storage up front, very comfortable seating all the way around. Also has room underneath here, tons of space, but if you wanted to put it in a closed porta potty, you can. Full bolsters all the way around the boat, which is an option. And the powder coat here, you don't even have to maintain this stuff. It won't rust or get tarnished like your traditional aluminum would. So anyways, recap, 2017 Sea Pro 219 center console, available at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw, and phone number 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.